If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then for example, you can go to Settings, then choose Wallpaper and Style, and then you can go to Change Wallpapers. And you should be able to find the Gallery section over here, so you can choose any of these categories, or you can tap on this arrow on the right side in order to open this full gallery. And then you can select the photo that you wish to use and press Done in the top right corner. Then you can choose to apply the wallpaper in the lock screen or home screen or both, and then we can proceed. We have the option to switch the preview to home and lock screen. We can change the position of the wallpaper, we can zoom in and zoom out. And of course we have some additional options at the bottom. I just closed it by accident. But essentially, once you are done with the customization, what you can do is you can press Done in the top right corner, and that is it. And the other way to apply the photo as a wallpaper is to go to Gallery instead. In the gallery, you can select the photo, tap on these three dots and choose Set as Wallpaper, and you can set it as lock screen, home screen, or both. And it looks the same way pretty much. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!